He doesn't know. Because if you're not fine, no matter how all the haircuts, you know this one. I'm just joking. Owner of car that will not give me his car. So far, have I done?
You should jam me. She's not going to pay anything. Leave her. Just
Please.
be running mouth.
No negative energy. We're not going to jam anything.
Hey, you're going this way.
Hi, how you doing? What's been happening? We are on our way to hang out in Abuja. But first, we need to go and shave this brother's hair. Hey, brother. We've not had lights for a bit, so I'm packing all my chargers to be able to charge somewhere. Go on Instagram and follow me. Subscribe to this channel. He's feeling himself. He thinks he's all smooth because he just cut his hair. He doesn't know. Because if you're not fine, no matter how all the haircuts, you know this one. I'm just joking. Wait, are you? Let me drive. Yes, I can drive. You have to have faith in me. I finished my driving lesson like some like how many weeks ago? Months ago. Rescue is the best place to learn how to drive if you don't know how to drive. And I don't know if they're outside Lagos, but they're in Lagos. Rescue is the place you should learn how to drive. By the way, so let me prove to this brother that I'm not bad. Is he looking at me? Seat belts. He told us that seat belts is the first thing to. Not seat belts to hit me. So if you first make sure our mirrors are good before we adjust your mirror like this. Guys, I drove the car from the supermarket to this place. We're heading to Wuse. So far I've done good. So far have I done? Owner of car that will not give me his car. So far have I done?
You should jam me. She's not going to pay anything. Leave her. Just
Please.
Be running mouth.
No negative energy. We're not going to jam anything. Positive energy. We're going to do it. Rescue is the best place, guys. They even know. But yeah, I'm trying. Pray for me that 2019 I make money and I get my car. Please, I want to buy a Matrix. I know the car of hand. When I buy it, I'll show you. Remember this video, huh? Alright. Let's focus now. It's 8, 7, 6. Okay,
Watch out. That guy on your side. Hey, you're going this way.
guys, I just got to Whiskey too. After this guy almost cut my heart for me to buy my own pie. So we came here to pick Osora. She's the one that's taking us to go and eat the fish. She knows all the nook and cranny of ABJ. What should they officially call you? Osora or Queen or... Yeah, she sells natural. She sells hairs, girl.
I crown queen, so you can imagine.
The crown queen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are UFN to crown queen.
Okay. But who say they have lights? I'm not going to like. You can have lights like how we have. We have lights in
this beautiful side.
Yeah, we have lights too. Yeah, we have lights.
That's really improved.
Are you serious? Because there used to be lights.
It was bad.
Or more. You know, it's like that maybe leave Lagos. I ran. Babe, you went to frustrate my life.
You
went to frustrate me in that
no matter how
Lagos.
bad Abuja like.
Can never be compared to. I'm telling you, never. Hi guys, so let me just say something. That fish was sweet. If you're in Abuja and you want fish, I beg, it's Nasoko Road. Try it. How best to end the day than to go and see a movie at Genesis Cinema. Hi. What movie show you now? Aquaman. I've seen Aquaman. Yeah. Transformer, yeah? I think I should see Transformer. I have my bottle of water and I have my popcorn ready. There's no movie without popcorn. I can hear the sound. Yeah, let's go. Okay, it's totally different. Movie's over. If you're in love with superheroes, those kind of movie, you're gonna love this. I'm more of a real life story kind of person, so hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I need subscribers, and comment below if you liked this vlog and if you want to see more vlogs like this. I'm here for you, my love. And yeah, hit that bell button beside subscribe, so that the subscribe button actually, so that you get notified when I post new videos. And I love you. Thank you for going out with me today. Next time we talk. Mwah.